Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. This week we're gonna finish up on the hood heat extractor. We got that installed. This is actually part 3. We're gonna put in the bow tie. You gotta go up under the hood and you gotta very carefully trace this out and cut it out where you have a template like this. And then you need some screen. We're going to cut all this out, and then this will fit right in the bow tie, right up under the hood, and we're going to bolt it in. It ought to look pretty good when we get done. Okay, this is the liner that goes up under the hood. I've already got it cut out right here. This is like an insulation. It's real easy to cut with scissors. So just cut it out, the Chevrolet emblem, but leave a little bit on each side, especially on this side, the top, and the bottom, so you can have room for your bolts. Right here, here, and on each side here, so you have room for your bolts to bolt it in. You don't want to cut it completely out. And also leave a little bit on the tops and bottoms here, because you don't want it to fall through. So we'll start getting this marked out, then we'll start cutting it out with the Dremel. Okay, we're going to try to mark this out. I hope it's going to be dark enough that we're going to be able to see our marks here. Well, if I hit the line here. All right, I think this is going to work. Get this Dremel out and we'll see what we can do with it. Okay, this is the Dremel 3000, and it has a easy lock metal cutting blade on it. This is also variable speed, so I usually run it up on high. I'm going to cut on the outside line. You can always trim it off, but you can never add to it, right? So I'm going to cut on the outside of it, of the line. I had to make this video in 3 parts because I didn't get this screen in time, this wire mesh. That kind of put me behind on the video. Okay, we have this all trimmed out where it fits in there pretty good. Got a screwdriver here. I'm gonna see if I can't open this mesh up a little bit where I can get a screw into it. Kind of scared to drill on it because I'm afraid it might all fall apart. I think that might work. Just get you a screwdriver, actually a Phillips, just to make the hole a little bit bigger. That'll work. Okay, we'll do another one over here. Kind of follow it down. We'll put washers on these too. Yeah, if I had time, I was wanting to take and put about a 1/2 inch aluminum sheet metal over this and kind of outline it with it, and the bolt holes go through that. But for the sake of the time of getting this video done, I gotta get it finished up. So we'll put 2 bolts here and 2 bolts here, and we'll see how that's gonna look. May add 2 more on each side over here. So we'll go get the drill out and see if we can't get it done. Okay, now we'll get some washers on the back. Tighten these up a little bit. Okay, we got 2 more to go. Okay, 2 more washers on that. Keep them tightened up. Okay, I'll get the rest of these in there. Okay, when we cut out this hood, we cut out these two holes here that holds up this liner. So what I'm doing is putting in 4 screws across here to hold this liner back up. I've already got 2 in, so we'll do 2 more.